Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to play the easy interstellar theme but in a modified way so that you guys can learn it pretty easily. And this song will also impress your friends. See, let me show you and let's start. So, first what you have to do, I will show you a tutorial with the left hand, right? With left hand you have to play just simple A, E, A, E. Then again B, E, B, E, C, E, C, E, and B, E, B, E, and A, E. Right? In a loop. So two times A, E, A, E, and two times B, E, B, E, and C, E, C, E, two times again. Right? So with the right hand now we'll go. It is more simple, like F, G, and A. Now join these and it'll sound like, see, that's pretty easy. You can add strings to it also. And then you can add something like chords, or you can add two notes like, or even three. With this song you can modify it your own way. Like for the starting you can go like, and then you can bring it to the middle part. See, that's amazing. You can add your own features, your own style of playing it, and it'll sound beautiful. So, thank you guys, and see you back on my next video. So, subscribe, like, share. Bye bye.